These are rare photographs from history, presented with context and accuracy. To see more historical photos, you can subscribe to our channel. A German soldier escorts American prisoners of war along a road in the Ardennes, Belgium, 1944. A family from Tajikistan in Moscow, 1996. A group of Inuit villagers drag a walrus home, Alaska, 1930. A group of village children, Kiev region, 1911. A hunter with a trophy, Canada, 1919. A Kwakiutl shaman conducts a religious ritual, Canada, 1914. A nurse listens to the heartbeat of a fetus in the womb, South Africa, 1973. A queue at the Dutch consulate for an Israeli visa, Moscow, USSR, 1990. A schoolteacher punishes a school bully for bad behavior, Wisconsin, 1905. A ship's doctor examines sailors returning from shore leave, Austro-Hungarian Empire, 1910. Airline passengers in 1939 before aircraft were pressurized. An attempt to cure a child with rickets by pulling him through a cavity in a healing tree, Sweden, 1918. Bicycle polo match at the London Olympics. The picture shows the teams of Ireland and Germany, 1908. British soldiers with an inflatable tank during training on Salisbury Plain, 1954. Charles Radbourne in 1886, the first known photograph of someone flipping the bird. Children during a grammar lesson at a school in Sudan, 1954. Circus performer Fred Loney holds 22 wooden chairs, each weighing 4 kilograms in his teeth, at Tom Arnold's Circus, London, 1956. Count Basie Orchestra performing at the Savoy Ballroom in Chicago, Illinois, 1941. Eiffel Tower under construction, 1889. Finnish White Guards execute captured Red Finns during the Finnish Civil War, 1918. French crossbowmen in World War I. Gabby Hartnett signs a baseball for Al Capone's son, 1931. Gamers face off at the Atari Space Invaders Championships in London, 1981. German soldiers lead a French major to execution for killing a German guard in his sleep with his own bayonet on a cart, 1914. Group of female welders at a Todd shipyard, October 1942. Guerrillas deliver supplies to the North Vietnamese Army, Laos, 1971. Gymnastics at the Sint Willebroeders Psychiatric Hospital, the Netherlands, February 1956. Gypsies, Romania, 1938. In 1939, Princess Elizabeth, aged 13, met 18-year-old Philip at the Royal Navy College in Dartmouth. Philip, then a cadet, had been assigned to escort the royal family during their visit. In 1960, Jane Goodall witnessed chimpanzees in the act of making and using tools, an ability previously believed to be exclusive to humans. Islamic refugees from Myanmar flee to Bangladesh after government forces launched military operations against separatist armed groups in their region, 1992. Italian Army Air Defense System, Venice, 1915. Jackie Kennedy, wife of Senator John F. Kennedy, talks on the telephone at home in 1960, while her young daughter Caroline mimics her with a toy phone. Japanese soldiers waiting in line outside a comfort station, occupied China, late 1930s. Kebab seller surrounded by cats, Istanbul, 1952. Long procession of hundreds of German soldiers captured without a fight by US forces near Munich under the custody of few men, Germany, May, 1945. Madison Street in Chicago, 1899. Messerschmitt Bf 110, German fighter bomber after being shot down, London, England, October 1940. Neil Armstrong fishing for salmon while training with NASA in Iceland, 1967. 1-month-old President Jimmy Carter being held by his mother, 1924. One of the bodyguards of Libyan leader Muammar Gaddafi, 1983. Peasants study the lighting system after the Bolsheviks first brought them electricity, USSR, 1926. Peter Seeger on father's lap, his mother playing violin, on a camping trip, May 1921. Picnic on the highway during the oil crisis, Holland, 1973. Police used tear gas during unrest in the Modderdam illegal settlement. People are protesting the destruction of their homes, South Africa, 1977. Polish negotiators surrender the Modlin fortress to representatives of the German command, 1939. Post-war Albania, communist propaganda, 1950. Queen Elizabeth meeting the King of Iraq, Faisal II, London, 1956. Residents of the Dutch village of Lenda uncovered their heads and knelt in prayer in the street, honouring the memory of 4 of their compatriots killed by the Nazis during their retreat in 1944. Soviet military observers at exercises of the German Self-Defense Forces, 1929. Students from Glendowie College take a break during the demolition of Auckland's Regent Theatre, 1975. Survivors of the first atomic bomb ever used in warfare await emergency medical treatment in Hiroshima, Japan, August 1945. The opening ceremony of the first official Paralympic Games, held in Rome in 1960, saw 400 athletes from 23 countries compete in 8 disciplines. The US-educated First Lady of China tried to mediate between her husband, Chiang Kai-shek, and General Stilwell, sent by the US in 1942 to help China against Japan. Brigadier General at the exact moment he shoots Viet Cong captain in the head amidst fighting in the capital during the Tet Offensive, February 1968. Thief Catcher, Ethiopia, 1929. Toni Jo Henry, the only woman to die in Louisiana's electric chair, heads to the Calcasieu courthouse to be executed. Her headscarf hid a freshly shaved head, November 1942. Transylvanian infantry of the Romanian army marching to the front lines, 1917. Winston Churchill perched on the remnants of Hitler's chair, 1945. Women Air Force service pilots pose with a North American Texan at Waco Army Airfield, Texas, November 1944. Women caught a gypsy shoplifting and are waiting for the police. Young lady modeling her bathing dress for a studio photo, 1900. Younger and older samurais at a pageant in Japan, 1930.